reached our goal. NEXT2 Delta is the latest generation of Morgan Tecnica high-ply cutting machines. The Delta series is the best of the best. Designed and developed for all cutting room production needs, from clothing to furnishings, from automotive to accessories. NEXT2 Delta is available in different versions to meet all market demands. NEXT2 Delta 70. NEXT2 Delta 70 is the most versatile model, designed to make the most of any type of material, even the most difficult. It is extremely flexible and can cut lays of just a few plies up to lays of 7 centimeters compressed. Its optimum performance is especially showcased with high plies of difficult material like denim. This is when the NEXT2 Delta 70 delivers its best, reaching impressive achievements never seen before. Every detail has been designed and developed to ensure maximum output quality with best performance. NEXT2 Delta 70 is the first machine that always consistently cuts at zero buffer with any type of lay and fabric type, delivering an incredible fabric savings. Continuous cut is a standard feature in this fully digital machine. NEXT2 Delta 70 is smart. Thanks to auto-diagnosis system, based on sensors and complex algorithms, it is able to monitor the machine status in real time. It communicates any anomalies in advance in order to eliminate machine downtime and minimize the running costs. The speed and acceleration while cutting are simply impressive. The vacuum system is controlled by a digital inverter, so the power consumption is drastically reduced. The sharpening device, which uses sharpening belts, can be programmed to optimize the life and durability of the knife. NEXT2 Delta 70 is equipped with a full-touch software. It's modern and extremely user-friendly. The new and innovative Data Control Center allows real-time monitoring of motor and blade stress levels, temperatures, consumption, inefficiencies, and a whole series of useful data to guarantee top quality with optimal performance at the lowest running cost possible. Integrated in the Morgan Fusion line, NEXT2 Delta 70 is fully compatible with the 4.0 industry requirements. Morgan Tecnica. Innovation for textile industry.